ndo mbali. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Aisha. So for today I'm just going to start with like washing my hair. My hair was so dirty and it really needed some cleaning, and since I was going to do some braids, I decided like, why not, let me just wash it. And for my day shampoo, I'm using the Beulah Crystal shampoo. I love that shampoo. So I always apply that shampoo like twice. After washing, I apply it again, then after washing, I apply it again. I really love washing my hair rather than letting someone else wash my hair, because I always feel it's not that clean enough. So that's why I prefer washing my hair. But the day that you see me just going to the salon washing my hair, maybe that day I was just tired or something just came up, so I decided let me just wash my hair from the salon. If you're also that type of person who prefers washing their own hair rather than letting the salonist wash their hair, kindly comment down below, because I know we are many out here. As you can see how I'm just that hair, because I know that is in that hair. This was like actually the third time I'm washing it. I don't do it twice, it is thrice. I wash it thrice, then I rinse it, and now I can continue and apply some other stuff. So for today's conditioner, I'm using the Beulah white conditioner. Yeah, so I always apply a generous amount on my arms, on my palms, then I apply it on my hair, massage it, make sure it has entered like every part of my hair. Then after that, I can now just comb it, since at least it has softened it. That's the advantage of a conditioner, at least it has softened it. So when I go and do my blow dry, I won't be feeling like any type of pain, since my hair right now doesn't have like chemical. So for today's shower gel, I'm using this Hobby, the coconut one. That shower gel smells heavenly. Apart from the strawberry one, I love this shower gel. So this round I'm just going to show you like a few parts of me like cleaning myself, showering. But watch out, there's my shower routine that will be up. I don't know when, I'm planning maybe for next week, but we will see. We'll see how the mood comes. So that's when the shower routine will come. So after that, I just grab my towel and then dry off my body and my hair. Then I'll go back and do my skincare. Good morning, my people. Hope all of you are doing well. Welcome back again to yet another video. So this time I'm going to the salon. So I just washed my hair and I did my blow dry. I did my blow dry from the balcony, so I cannot film that. So right now I'm going to the salon. I'm going to be doing braids. So yeah, and my hair has growth enough. Yep. So let me show you my fit of the day, then we head out. So this is my fit of the day. I'm wearing this sweatshirt and this sweatband plus sneakers. My sneakers are outside, and this is my handbag of the day. So let's go. Lakini Mungu atasaidia tu. Pale mmetoka ndo mbali. Hey guys, so I am back home. I love how it has turned out. Like, this is what I wanted. But na hii joto. Anyway, at least that stress of doing my hair, it has gone. So I have to find like a day when I can go and do my nails because they have outgrown. I'm thinking within the week, maybe on Thursday or Friday. Yeah, plus these are some plans I have other plans, so I'm waiting for the confirmation of that. Then I can know when I can do like my nails. But guys, what do you think? Comment down below if you like it. Did it turn out well? Like, would you do this color? Yo, are you a color person? Would you try this hairstyle? Yeah, I feel good when I do my hair. My hair looks nice, my nails look nice, everything looking nice. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm going to do my nails. Good morning guys. So today's the next day. I've decided let me just go today, do my nails. So I have an appointment of 11 a.m. but I want to pass by and do some stuff first, then we can go. So let's go and do our pretty nails. Ah. Hey guys, so I am back from my nail appointment. So this is how they look. I love them. They look so good. She did a very nice job, and I also got myself some flowers, as you've seen. Yeah, they look good. They look good. So yeah, So I think this is where the video ends. Me pampering myself, doing my hair, doing my nails, getting myself some cute flowers. And if you've come this far, kindly consider to subscribe. Don't forget to share and like too. And if you like such content, comment here down below. And never forget to pamper yourself whenever you get the time to spend on you. Do that. Okay, so now let me go and remove this makeup, then I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Thank you so much for watching.